Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a muffled audio effect in CapCut. So in here, I have this video that I want to make the audio muffled. So this is the normal audio.
Do you think that the world even slightly
And here what you need to do first is extract the audio. So let's click on the video and swipe through the toolbar at the bottom, then tap on the extract audio, and after the audio is extracted, click on the audio file on the timeline and go to the audio effects. So under the voice filter in here, so there are lots of voice filter that you can select. I suggest you to choose between the retro vibe, the phonograph, the funnel, or the megaphone. So let's try the megaphone first.
Do you think that the world even slightly knows
here you can adjust the strength, or let's try the funnel. So if you use funnel, there are some noise in the audio. Phonograph.
Do you think that the world even
Lastly, let's try the retro vibe.
Do you think that the world even
Can see the sound, the audio sound muffled now. So you can just select the one that you want. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.